Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tempered glass PC cases that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ATX Mid Tower Desktop Computer Gaming Case. We begin by looking at the EVGA ATX Mid Tower case. One thing that makes it quite an eye-catcher is the 120mm LED R8 ing fans and the modernistic appeal. It will, therefore, appeal to many people, both the old and young. It comprises 4mm tempered women that provides adequate strength to withstand regular use, mishandling, vibration, heat, and more. In fact, this piece feels very sturdy and can last a long period. It's ideal for Boreal-complying Lord gaming and offers an excellent capacity to support several graphics cards or PCIe slots. To ensure the devices stay cool all the time even in demanding tasks such as gaming, it features 3N3 RGY efficient bad reliable fans. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Corsair P5 tempered glass open frame case. Next, we have the Thermaltake teetered glass case. As you may already know, the brand prides on MA NYC models, with most regularly featuring in the top 10 lists. This is, in our views, deserves mention for a number of reasons. 1. We love its size, which provides sufficient room to place several GradFi cards and related accessories. Inserting and removal are fairly straightforward, even for a complete newbie. 2. The case is strong and durable thanks to the solid engineering and the 5mm Telexed women construction. It rests chips, cracks, breaking, shattering, and staining. 3. The versatile design allows the case to be mounted vertically, horizontally, or in a wall. Also, if done right, it will save a considerable amount of space. Other advantages include easy to use, super silent fans, and suitable for most PCs. At number 3, we have the Mid Tower Gaming Case. The Carbide SPEC04 Mid Tower case by Corsair is another popular product in the market. In addition, while it has been sound for some time, its sisal commands a huge folioing. The case, just like all the others in this list, is made of quality tempered glass for elegance and reliability. The pieces come in a stylish red color that gives it a techie and modern justice look. This should appeal to gamers and people who love fancy stuff. It can handle as many as 5 fans, 120mm, 2 SSDs, and up to 3 HDDs. In addition, thanks to the easy design and versatility, placing and resaving bathe devices is rather simple in comparison to other options. Moreover, it provides good support to handle the vibrations and prevents any movement, especially dusting use. At number 2, we have the Masterbox Pro 5 EVGA ATX Mid Tower case. Anyone looking for a flexible and easy-to-mount case for PC should use Sunsider this one by Cooler Master. It's among the simplest when it comes to design, but still provide a good holding point for SSDs, Colin fans, motherboard tray, and more. The Masterbox Pro 5 comes in the form of an ATX Mid Tower and is perfect for everyday computing as well as gaming. The hard 4mm thick tempered women construction iOS more tolerate its scratches, cracking, and chipping and will maintain its looks for a long period. Moreover, if it can handle up to 3 120mm fans to snore, your devices do not overheat and comprise functionality. The dark mirror front panel enhances its elegance, whereas the basic design makes assembling the pieces easy. Once assembled, it stays firm on the spot and is nest-prone to vibrations. And finally, at number 1, we have the 21 Dual Tempered Glass ATX Gaming Mid Tower. The Thermaltake View 21 is one of the versatile tempered glass PC cases out there. It works with different not kinks of motherboards including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini T. Minting the pieces inside the case is straightforward and doesn't need any modification of the case. In fact, Thanks to its expandable nature, you can easily adjust the slots to suit the devices. The cases can also support several HDDs and some can be laid open while other hidden inside it. For good cooling. It supports TVLCS carded liquid cooling, which is more effective than other options. The unit stays stable in use and is easy to move. In addition, like their top-rated cases, the glass is resistant to scathes, stains, breakage, and is easy to clean. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.